Hey there lovelies, so I'm giving you a fall bronzed look for today's makeup tutorial. You can see I already have my makeup done. I'm just adding some bronzer now to the outer edges of my face. So right there by the hairline, I'm using a small angled brush, just making small little sweeps and circles to blend it out nicely. You'll see here in a minute that I add it to the top portion of my cheekbones, and I'll also just lightly dust over my nose and the bottom portion of my chin. Now to add the eyeshadow using my Pat McGrath Labs Divine Rose palette, starting color with VR Rose Venus. Y'all, this color is beautiful. As you can see, it has a very pretty pink rose color, but it's like iridescent with gold shimmer. It's a metallic shade and it's just so beautiful on. I'm adding this color all across my entire lid and even through the crease and above the crease. The next color I'm going in with is Extreme Mahogany. Now this, guys, is a super dark brown color. So I'm using a small round fluff brush that is perfect for blending out through your crease, and I'm just putting it right there in that outer portion of the crease, a little heavier there, and I'm blending it towards the inner portion of the crease. Now I'm going to move into the inner corner of my eye using the shade Skin Show Nude. And I'm just putting it there to add an extra pop to the inner corner of the eye. Y'all, this is my color. This color is called Love Lace. How perfect is that? I'm adding it to the lower portion of that outer crease area. To clean up underneath the brow, I'm using a very basic ivory cream color from MAC, and this shade is called Orb. Add your liner, add some lashes if you choose. Obviously, I always love a lash. Adding some blush so we don't look like death anymore. I'm using a color from MAC and it's called Blush Baby, focusing on that outer portion of your cheekbone and sweeping up. Then I'm going to use a second color from MAC as well, and this is called Petal Power. And I'm focusing this right there on the apple of my cheek and then also sweeping it down. Cannot forget about the highlight. I love a highlight. This is one of my go-tos from MAC and it's called Soft and Gentle. Add your mascara. It helps the lashes blend in with your falsies and also gives those bottom lashes a nice pop. I'm adding a nude liner to the bottom portion of my waterline just to brighten and open my eyes slightly more. Now we have to set it in using the new Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Guys, this works amazing. And there you have it. You have a nice, glam, yet simple fall bronzed look. Like and subscribe if you want to see more.